Hello! Welcome to Mom Games Badly. There are plenty of moms out there who are fantastic video gamers. I'm not one of them, but I still enjoy playing. I hope you'll enjoy hanging out with me while I play. Even if I wimp out sometime. I probably won't on this game. This game is called Microbial Sector. It's a short game available on Steam from MadBug. It's your first day as a life form researcher, and while you don't know much about the job, you're desperate for the paycheck. What could possibly go wrong? All right, so what else has MadBug made? Anything else on Steam? Face of Another. That's the only other one. Is that upcoming? Coming soon. Face of Another is a first-person psychological horror game that traps you in a distorted world where technology blurs the line between reality and virtual life. Use your phone to take photos, solve puzzles, and navigate through terrifying environments. Oh, that looks interesting. Can I wishlist that? No, apparently not. Apparently it's not coming soon enough to be able to wishlist it. All right, so let's go back to Microbial Sector here and play. Oh, I haven't installed it. Not the first time I've done this. Okay, download complete. Microbial Sector. Play now. With Unity. All right. Okay. Settings. Oh, that's very loud. We're going to turn that way down. Turn the sensitivity down a bit. Brightness. Field of... Okay, view is VIEW. Just so you know. I don't think less of you. Full screen, yes. Back. Okay, what are the controls? Controls are WASD, look with mouse, interact, left mouse button, and E? Maybe it's one or the other, or you can use them interchangeably. Sprint is shift. Oh, why would I have to sprint? Jump is space. Oh, I forgot I could use the jump. Pause, escape. Okay. All right. I like the MadBug logo. This game contains flashing lights, loud noises, and jump scares. From what I understand, not a lot of jump scares. It's your first day on the job. Not much information was given about it, but you really need the money. Isn't that the way? Oh. Okay, we're in a very gross elevator. Why am I sprinting? Why would I sprint in the elevator? Okay, there's jump. Woo! Woo! Okay. Sixth floor. Okay. Oh, this is gross. Creepy music. Nice, nice. All these door lights are red except for this one. Oh, there's no more past it. It's over here. This field of view is... Maybe 80 was better. Alright. So it's still gloomy. But you can see... What do I do? How do I get in here? Oh, you have to hit that button very specifically. Okay. Ah, something comes in, then it goes out. Okay. Analyzing instructions. Whoa. A little close. Welcome to your first day as a life form researcher. We are thrilled to have you join our team. Below are your tasks and instructions for operating the equipment. Press the arrow button to start the conveyor belt. Pick up the object that requires research and place the object on the platform with the cross. Scan the object using the something button. Using the whatever this button is. Use the crane, I guess, crane button to remove or put on the glass cover. Use the I button to lower the microscope for a closer examination of the object. Each life form has a code. Type the code into the keypad after scanning the object. If you don't see the life form in our system, type in 0000 on the keypad instead. Pick up the object again and place it back on the conveyor belt. Now press the arrow button again to send the object on to the next researcher. Alright, well that seems straightforward enough. Alright, so start the conveyor belt. Okay. And then pick up the object, put it on the platform. Pick up the object. Okay. Put it on the platform. Alright, and scan it with this button. Oh, cool. That's neat. What does this say? Oh, I see. I have to identify it. Maybe this? Luminifera filiformis? Bitomorph mutagen. Yeah, it's gotta be this one. Luminifera filiformis, more commonly known as phosphor tendrils, are slender, glowing tendrils that emit a bright green light. These tendrils are typically found growing on dead trees and bark, where they anchor themselves into the decaying wood. The bioluminescence of phosphor tendrils provides a faint, eerie illumination, creating a mesmerizing display. They are studied for their potential application in natural lighting and bioluminescent research. I mean, it's not glowing green. What does this button do? Let's try turning it. Okay. Oh, lower the microscope for a closer examination? Okay, maybe that. Okay. Oh, zoom in. Zoom out. Okay. I'm not sure that's what this is. What was the purple thing? Bitomorph mutagen is a recently discovered organism known for its translucent blue growths that infect animals and plants. These organisms feature elongated tentacle-like structures that draw nutrients from their hosts. Infection leads to rapid, unpredictable mutations in the host. Bitomorph mutagen's effects and life cycle are still largely unknown, making it a significant focus of ongoing scientific research. I mean, it's not glowing. So I would assume that this is 9487? Okay. Then we pick it up. And we put it back on here. And we send it along. Okay. So this looks like a regular plant with a flower. Am I supposed to be studying something on the flower? Euchorylus fungus. Oh, maybe we're studying the aphids. Okay. Let's take a look with the microscope. So I'm sure the jump scare is like one of these is gonna go boo at me. Zoom in. Huh? I don't see. Oh, yeah, what's that? Okay. Oh, maybe I didn't zoom in enough on the other one. Aha. Okay. So that's the little star guy. Is Amoeba australis. Amoeba australis are small, translucent organisms shaped like water droplets, with a bioluminescent star-shaped structure inside. These fascinating protozoans glow gently and are typically found on plant surfaces in moist human environments. Their presence indicates a healthy, organic, rich habitat. 8283. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to scan it. I don't think I did. But it's a little late now. Yeah, well, whatever. Did the things out of order, but I did all the things. Why doesn't it want to go? Do I need to put the number in again? Okay. This time we'll scan it first. Why would I want to take the glass cover off of any of these at all? Alright. Does this indicate anything? Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, let's zoom out. My goodness. We're way in there. Can I rotate it? This looks like petrified wood. Yes, I can. Okay, let's try that again. Is that something in the middle there? Yes. What is that? Ah, there's the glowy little tendrils. Okay. Alright, so we've seen the mock-up for that. That's, not the mock-up. This thing. Luminifera filiformis. 2917. 2917. Enter. Okay, so take that away. Take this. Okay. Oh, I like this kind of game. Oh, uh-oh. I already identified one of these. I made a boo-boo on the first one, I think. Scan. Okay. Looks these are translucent blue. Is that a... Doesn't show up on the scan. Metamorph mutagen, yeah. Chemical-like structures, 9487. This looks remarkably skull-like formation underneath. Lunch break! Okay. Take one and pass the rest along. Can we just like put it right there? Oh, you know what? Ah, I can't put it on the thing. That's a bummer. Am I supposed to do something with this? What do I do with it? I don't know what to do with this. Oh, I can't put it on there? I really want to put it in the scanner. Well, let's just... Oh, okay. Now, can I put it on the thing? Oh. Oh. This is icky. Seems... I think I'll bring a bag lunch tomorrow. Can I move this? I can't put it in the pile? Alright. Stop sign. Okay. Okay. Scan. Okay. Is it like the stuff that's underneath, maybe? Yeah, I'm not taking these covers off unless I absolutely have to. Is it maybe a fungus? Alright, let's see. Drosophila melanogaster, fruit fly. Ah, thought Drosophila sounded familiar. Lichens. Slaughter's rocks, tree bark. Environmental science. Core Heliocyclus, radiating spore pattern. Fungal species. We'll have to take a closer look for that, I guess. Extremely out of this. High levels of genetic modifications or environmental contamination. So maybe this, if we see little glowing spots. Rust mites. So maybe found on metallic surfaces where rust is present. Okay, let's... I don't like that being open behind me. Okay, let's look in here again. I'll zoom in. Can I turn it again? Maybe look at the top. So I'm not seeing anything moving, but they say it's not really visible to the naked eye. Maybe here? I think it's just very pixelated. Oops. Oh, what's this? Anything? Huh. Oh! Okay. What are these? Oh, look at that. They have little villi? Okay. Alright, glad I kept checking. Those are definitely not rust mites. Yeah, oh, here we go. That's these guys. Tyrophagus putrescentiae. Tyrophagus putrescentiae, commonly known as mold mites, are tiny translucent mites that thrive in high humidity environments. Often found in areas of mold or decaying organic material, mold mites feed on fungi and mold, making them common in damp or water-damaged spaces. While generally harmless, their presence can indicate underlying moisture issues and contribute to allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. 0042. Okay. I'm sure I got the first one wrong. No. Okay, scan. So does it like light up brighter in the areas where I should be looking for stuff? Because here it seems like I should be looking more at the base of the mushroom than at the mushroom itself. Let's see. Oh, I'm zoomed way in. come back to that. I think I want to back out. Yeah, I think it's that thing on the stem. Alright, but I want to turn it a little bit more. Okay. Oh, a little bit more. Whoops. No, that's not what I want to do. Okay. Zoom in. A little bit over. Yeah, I know I'm on the right thing when it actually comes like more into focus rather than getting super pixelated like the blue and grays next to it. Okay, we've seen this before. Or at least, sorry. I keep hitting escape instead of the R key. I really don't like that that stays open. It really sucks. Alright, so the thing that's radius, this thing. Eucor heliocyclus. Eucor heliocyclus is a species of fungus characterized by its unique radiating spore pattern. The image displays the distinct circular structure of the sporangium, which exhibits a sunburst-like appearance with elongated striations emanating from the center. This fungal species belongs to Mucorales order and is commonly found growing out of stems from plants and flowers. Its distinctive morphology makes it easily recognizable under a microscope, aiding in its identification and study and mycological research. Okay, so 0214. Alright. So take that out. 0, 2, 1, 4. Enter. This one might have the rust mites. It certainly seems extremely rusty. Scan. You know what? I'm going to go back in here for a second. Just to make sure there's like nothing growing in here. Okay. Let's take a look. Under the microscope. Oh, I see it. Yep. Okay, R. It's rust mite, alright. Acarus ferrugineus. Acarus ferrugineus, commonly known as rust mites, are tiny mites characterized by their reddish-colored bodies and 8 legs. These mites are typically invisible to the naked eye, though fully grown specimens may appear as small red dots. Rust mites are often found on metallic surfaces where rust is present. Yep. 5290. Okay, actually, let me count the legs. Yes, okay. So, what is this? 5290. This thing's gonna go boo at me. Is gonna have like a face on the other side. No, looks relatively. Ah! Nope. Where did it go? No, don't like it. Don't like it. What do I do? Is this one of the endings? Oh, it left a trail. Oh, the duct's great. Awesome. So do I just, my equipment's shut down. I can't identify anything, I don't think. Oh, I can leave now. I can go out. Can I go home? No, I've got to check it out. Of course I do. Of course I do. Hi, hello. I'm your work neighbor. Is this thing just gonna like fly at my face? Not sure what I'm supposed to do in here. It's dark as hell. Capture it? If so, with what? How? Oh. Ah, okay. Turn the lights back on. Power back on. Alright. Could we close the door on it? No? Okay. Well, I'm going back to my booth. No, I can't. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to go home now? What do? Oh, I can go now. Okay. Got me. The creature latched onto your face, and as your vision blurred, you felt your body begin to change. Microbial Sector, a game by Max Rohrberg. Okay, well... Now see, I could play the identification part. I could play that all day. So, I've been playing for 45 minutes. I'm going to try playing again. I think maybe I got a bad ending because I messed up the first one. So, I'm gonna do it one more time. And see if we don't get a better... I don't know, maybe all the endings are bad. Understand the job. So apparently there are 6 endings to this game. And the reviews say if you're fast, that you can get through all 6 in an hour. But I'm a thorough player. Hi. Hello. That's new. I don't remember there being somebody in biohazard gear walking in there before. Were they in the other office? Are they hiding in here? What's going on? Okay. So let's just get going. Now that we know how this works. And now that I know that I need to like zoom in on this thing and not just say, oh, it's blue like that thing, because we're looking at microbes, right? I should be looking for things that are growing on here. So let's turn it to, if anything looks like spotty. Yeah, like those two things there. Let's take a look. Those there. Yeah. Alright. Zoom in. Oh, okay. Seen those, the radiant doohickeys. Okay. So that's these things. Mucorhelioscyclus 0214. Okay. What are these? Can't touch them. Alright. Oh, they don't randomize? Scan. Right, I'm gonna do that. So if they don't randomize them, how are there 6 endings? Maybe I don't eat either. I think I should perhaps avoid consuming the lunch. Oh, what's this? Was ist das? Alright, hold on, I'm gonna turn. Okay, yeah, they're the ones with the little stars. Alright. Okay, and nothing else? Interesting that you get like the inside of the glass too. So, star one. Amoeba astralis 8283. Okay. I don't think I really need to check this one any more thoroughly, but yeah, that's a head. That's a head right there. Yep. That's not okay. Alright, let's get out of that. That's Vitamorph Mutagen 9487. 9487. Enter. Okay, buddy. Going for a ride. See ya. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna... What else can I do with this? Kind of hoping I can spill it. I don't want to eat it. It doesn't seem like I have a choice. Is this camera here? Okay, how about I just do that? Can I just do that? I don't want to eat it. I don't want to eat it. I just want to go back to work, please. Alright, so I can't get away with not eating it, apparently. How about not finishing it? Nope. Alright, gotta eat it, apparently. Are there any, like, secret notes that have been added? Why are you blinky? You know what? I wonder if you deliberately get them all wrong. If you get a totally different ending. Just thought I'd look for lichens. I think this is just like a weird blank pixel here. I was hoping, you know what would be really cool is if it were like a little tiny sign. That's why it's so regular. Yeah. But yeah, no lichens. Alright. So let's go to the radial things. Mucor heliocyclus 0214. Oh, I see. It's got the number on it that you put on it. Nope, that's staying. That's staying. I'm gonna say it's this. 9487. Nope. Not picking it up. Not. You know what? I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna... I have to scan it before I can call it anything. Bye-bye. I don't care. I don't want it in here. Somebody else's problem. That's what that is. Not sure what to do now, though, of course. Is this going to be the same ending as before? Nope. Not my problem. Not my problem. None of y'all are my problem. Oh, the non-functioning elevator is my problem, though. Alright. Okay. So that guy doesn't make it downstairs. I can get out. Yay! Good ending. You managed to escape the building. Yes! Okay. Alright, I feel better. So we have one bad ending and one good ending. I don't know if there's more than one good ending, or if there's like 3 of each, or just one good ending and 5 bad endings. I don't know. I'm sure you can get a different ending by deliberately misidentifying everything. It doesn't appear that you can refuse to eat. So, anyway, but thank you for joining me. This was a fun little game, Microbial Sector. It's available on Steam. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.